Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you another effective skin rejuvenating mask recipe. This anti-aging mask is suitable for all skin types. Take the inner skin of the banana peel. Banana peel deeply nourishes the skin, rejuvenates, tightens the skin, helps to reduce deep wrinkles. A teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch mixed with banana has a miraculous effect on the skin, removes wrinkles and tightens the skin. Now put a teaspoon of vitamin E liquid in the mask. If you don't have vitamin E, you can use almond oil. Vitamin E rejuvenates the skin, slows down the aging process, clears all wrinkles on the skin, makes the skin clear and elegant like glass. Apply the mask on clean skin. The mask is applied in the evening, left on the skin for 20 minutes and washed off with warm water. When applying the mask to the skin of the face, use a light massage. If the video is useful, click like and subscribe to my channel.